Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. And also, don't forget to click the bell notification so you know whenever I go live to either critique or make fun of other people's cooking videos. All right, that said, let's get into today's dish. It's a really simple, easy, very quick dish. And it's garlic butter pasta. All right, in a pan over about medium heat, we have 8 tablespoons or 1 stick of butter. To that, I added 6 cloves of garlic. I cranked the heat down to about medium low after I melted the butter. And then you want to have a half a cup of chopped fresh parsley, some salt, and of course, pepper. And like I said, this sauce is so quick. This dish is so quick. It can literally it'll take you longer to boil the water. This dish can be easily done while the spaghetti is in the water for its 9 minutes. In fact, I wouldn't even start this sauce until the spaghetti is in the water. That's how quick it is. In fact, we're about 99% done. Seriously, that's it. Anyone can do this. This is a real easy dish for a first-timer, especially if it's your first time cooking for somebody else, because this is essentially idiot-proof. Okie dokie, as you can see here, we have our pasta cooked. Again, when you make pasta of any kind, take 1 minute off of the minimum cooking time, because again, it'll get this extra minute in the bowl. To that, I added about a cup of Parmesan cheese that I shredded up. And now we're going to add our parsley garlic butter sauce. And like I said, we're 99% done. One last thing to do, let's grab some tongs and mix everything around and toss to coat. Don't worry, the cheese will melt right up with the heat of the pasta. And get yourself a block of Parmesan cheese and shred it yourself. Don't get the pre-shredded stuff, and for God's sakes, don't get the stuff in the green can. And then just put it in a bowl and serve it up. And that's it. Garlic butter pasta. Done.